alaikum, namaste, S.H.E.I.L.D. Hope everybody's fine. Yesterday I said I'm not gonna let you know where I'm going, but I can't keep surprises. So I'm gonna let you know where I'm going to. I'm going to Desert Safari. Yay! Can't wait till I go to desert. I love desert, man. Not the sea. No, I'm frightened of sea and everybody knows about it. But we are gonna go to desert. Hopefully, we're gonna have a fun day. You know what I mean? Quad bikes, camel riding, and obviously the belly dancing. Can't wait, I can't wait. I just wanna go. And there is one rule of thirst in UAE, in Dubai. The rule of thirst is that you sleep all day and then you go out for outing all night. So time now is 2:30 and our pickup is at 3 o'clock. So I'll see you guys in the desert. All good to go. Okay, let's take off the air.
Ready?
Ready.
Yes, madam.
What's that? How much is it?
15.
15. Before it was 38.
38, now only 15.
38 for the roads and 15 for desert. This is our first stopover, and there are some camels. He said you can take as much pictures as you like. Whoa.
For our more enjoying, okay?
How long will it take now?
Yes.
Another time to spend here. 15-20 minutes. Let me change the position of my camera. Right. Right, we all have stopped to take the sunset pictures. There we go.
Try it without shoes. Just try it.
You
But
can feel
remove
it's
your
like a
shoes
massage.
and you walk somewhere. Sun go down. Sun is gone.
Could you take me?
Yeah.
Where is this? A dinosaur. Oh, ah, shark. Another one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yalla, yalla.
Yalla, yalla. Yalla, Habibi, yalla. Yalla, Habibi.
Yalla, yalla. Where is Habibi? Everybody's here. Nobody's Habibi. Yalla, yalla. Habibi, yalla. Habibi, yalla. Open the door, yalla. I went to the washroom and here we go. It's already started. Let's go and see what's happening. Oh yes, fabulous man. Beautiful. Don't you wish to be here? I know you all wish to be here. and it is too hot, guys, trust me. What else could you expect in Dubai, right? This is the dinner. It's biryani, barbecue, and that's it. And I don't know what is this. So far so good. I'm enjoying it, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. Let's wait for the next item.
اللي بتقصر تنورة، اللي بتقصر تنورة تلحق عيون الشباب، وهي بحالها مغرورة، وهي بحالها مغرورة. اللي بتقصر تنورة، اللي بتقصر شلونك عيني شلونك شو مخلال عيونك، شلونك عيني شلونك شو مخلال عيونك. شقد شفت عيوننا والله ما حلمنا عيونك، شقد شفت عيوننا والله ما حلمنا عيونك.
क्या करूं यार, बुलावा आया था, बुलाया था इतने प्यार से, तो जाना तो था।
Thank you, Mr. for the beautiful performance. Thank you so much.
Alright everybody, we are back at home and I am really tired. I mean, since morning we were just getting ready for this safari, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it as much as I have enjoyed going there. And I was trying to fly my drone, but it was too late. It was getting dark, and when I tried to fly it, what? Huh? What? There's what? A party going on. I thought you were saying there is a fight going on. Hard over here. Aye, Maro. I thought you were saying there is fight going on. Right, 1 minute. I haven't finished my final chat. Right, so what I was saying is, yeah, I've tried to fly my drone, but unfortunately the time was very short because of that vehicle was punctured, so we had to change the wheel, and yeah, so on, you know, that's it. So I hope you have enjoyed watching my clip, and I'm not sure what we are going to do tomorrow. I can't predict the future, so when tomorrow will come, I'll let you know what we are doing. And as I always say, zindagi rahi to phir mulaqat hogi. and I hope to see you soon.
يلا